Alright, experiment today is to put a Walker deeper diver, the biggest one made, which is a 124, has the big weight in the bottom. It's equivalent to the big Magnum Dipsy with the big ring. And we're going to put that out on the new TX-44 church planer board to see how it runs. Coho Bob is going to put it out as a kind of a steelhead rod just beyond the cone of disturbance. It's got a bloody nose stinger Magnum.
Red gander glow.
Red
gander glow.
Red gander glow spoon on there. And he's going to just set that out 50 feet with his Okuma reel line counter. All mono. And it's just set on one, so it goes straight back. And he's going to set that behind the new big inline planer board from Church Tackle. We'll see how it runs. This is the TX-44 adjustable to either side. You'll note the pin on the bottom, which is the way a company owner and designer Bill Church says this board runs best.
With a vice clip.
And it's got the vice clip, which actually pulls the line into the clip as it goes out, and there's Bob just put the line in the lower slot. Alright, we're going to see how well that performs on a reasonably rough day on Lake Michigan. Okay, there it goes in the water. Bob's keeping the line taut as it goes out and around the downrigger. That is pretty impressive. It is going right out to the side of the boat. Of course, there's a little bit more pullback than you might have with a copper, but you know what? It's not a whole lot. Of course, I've just lost the board. It's going way out to the side. You may be able to see some boards that are further out that are pulling copper, and they're not any farther in front of this one. This is very impressive. It really is plain to see. You can see the boards behind it. There's two out there, and both of those have varying degrees of copper. One has the 300 feet of copper with a 12-ounce dive bomb on it, and that one has the Dipsy. And you can see that is going right out nicely to the side of the boat here.